folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And this week what we're going to be doing, we're going to be having steak bites with some mushrooms and garlic sauce. This is sort of a low carb diet. Trust me, I need to lose some weight. If I don't get to losing some now before winter time comes here, it's going to be bad. We caught these here. They was on sale. And they was about to run out of date. So we got a good deal on those. I'm going to get them, cut them up. And then what I'll do, salt and pepper them. And pour some oil in there, mix that up real good. Throw it in a hot skillet. And we'll get them fried up. And we'll go from there. Alrighty. We got everything cut up. Cut it up to whatever size you'd like. And then season it however you'd like. I'm just going to go old school here. Salt and pepper. Gonna go ahead and season it. Go ahead, give it a good dose of salt there. Exactly. Alrighty, salt and pepper it here. Then what we're going to do, we're going to pour in just a little bit of oil, just coat around the top there. Okay. And then just mix it all together. And then we'll let that sit there and actually warm up just a little bit. And then we'll throw it in our hot skillet and we'll go from there. Alright, now what we'll do, I forgot to tell you folks, I'll be using butter with some garlic, and we're going to actually put some mushrooms in this here. First, let's get this browned up. We're definitely going to have to get it area fixed up first to get our blackstone out. This would been a whole lot easier. Alright, I ain't gonna bore you, just gonna brown this up and then we'll get it out. We'll add our butter and garlic and our mushrooms. Alright, put in 3/4 of a stick of butter in your hot skillet. Put in a teaspoon of garlic. And I'm gonna grab the mushrooms over here. All this up around here. Turn this temperature down just a little bit. We got Dixie's little portion out already. She was standing back there. I'm sure y'all heard her. Yeah, there she is again. We got you some, don't worry. We got her some here that don't have the garlic on it. Just a little bit there. Yeah, we'll be eating before long. Calm down. Alright, now let's get our steak and pour it back in here. Now y'all cook your steak to whatever your preference is, however much you want it done. This here is just a little bit more than medium. Just give it a good stir around in here. And that's it, folks. We'll let it cook just a tad more here. And how simple is that? And it's going to be low carb, keto. Alrighty, we'll give her a try here in just a minute. We'll let my assistant Carolyn here give it a try. After she gets her plate fixed up. And I'll tell you now, folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Y'all are great. Hope y'all have a great day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Now, let's hear from Carolyn, how she liked it.
Delicious. Nice and tender.
Thank you again for watching, folks. Hope y'all have a blessed day.